The 2021 cent coin of the United States of America, commonly known as the penny, is one of the most recognizable and widely circulated coins in the nation's history. Though small in value, it carries deep historical, cultural, and symbolic importance that reflects the identity and legacy of the country. The obverse side of the 2020 penny features the portrait of Abraham Lincoln, a design that has been used since 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of his birth. This made the Lincoln cent the first regular-issue American coin to depict a real person. Lincoln's image was created by sculptor Victor David Brenner, whose initials, VDB, can still be found on the coin today. The portrait shows Lincoln in profile, facing right, symbolizing strength, dignity, and leadership. Above his head is the word, "In God We Trust," while liberty appears to the left, and the year, 2020, is placed on the right side. The reverse side of the coin, introduced in 2010, represents a significant shift in design. It features a shield, known as the Union Shield, symbolizing Lincoln's role in preserving the United States during the Civil War. The shield has 13 vertical stripes joined by a single horizontal bar at the top, representing the original 13 colonies united under a strong federal government. Across the top of the shield is a banner with the inscription, E pluribus unum, meaning, out of many, one. This design was created by Lyndall Bass and sculpted by Joseph Mena. The 2020 penny is composed primarily of zinc, with a thin outer coating of copper. Specifically, it is made of 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper. This composition has been in use since 1982, when rising copper prices made it too expensive to produce pennies using solid copper. Despite its copper appearance, the modern penny is essentially a zinc coin at its core. It has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters and weighs 2.5 grams, maintaining consistency with other modern Lincoln cents. The coin was minted at several facilities of the United States Mint, including Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Pennies minted in Philadelphia typically do not carry a mint mark, while those from Denver are marked with a UD, and coins from San Francisco, often produced as proof coins for collectors, carry an S mint mark. Each mint produces coins with slight variations in finish and detail, especially in proof versions which are struck with special care and polished dies. Historically, the Lincoln cent has undergone several reverse design changes before settling on the Union Shield. From 1909 to 1958, the reverse featured 2 wheat stalks, earning the nickname Wheat Penny. From 1959 to 2008, the design displayed the Lincoln Memorial, allowing viewers to see a tiny image of Lincoln seated inside the building. In 2009, 4 special reverse designs were released to commemorate the bicentennial of Lincoln's birth, each representing a different stage of his life. The Union Shield design introduced in 2010 continues to the present day, including the 2020 penny. The year 2020 was a notable time in global history, marked by the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. While the penny itself did not change in design during this year, its production and circulation were affected. Economic slowdowns and reduced commercial activity led to a temporary coin shortage in the United States, highlighting the continued importance of small-denomination coins in everyday transactions. The United States Mint even launched initiatives encouraging people to recirculate coins to ease the shortage. Despite its low monetary value, the penny holds a strong place in American culture. Phrases like "a penny for your thoughts" and "a lucky penny" reflect its symbolic significance beyond currency. Many people collect pennies, searching for rare dates, mint errors, or coins in exceptional condition. While the 2020 penny is not considered rare, uncirculated or proof versions may still be valuable to collectors, especially those assembling complete sets of Lincoln cents. There has been ongoing debate about whether the United States should continue producing the penny. Critics argue that it costs more to produce a penny than its face value, making it economically inefficient. Supporters, however, believe the penny plays an important role in pricing, charity, and tradition. The 2020 penny stands as a modern example within this debate, representing both the practicality and the sentimentality associated with the coin. In conclusion, the 2021 cent coin of the United States is far more than a simple piece of currency. It is a continuation of a long-standing tradition that honors Abraham Lincoln and reflects the unity and resilience of the nation. From its detailed design to its historical roots, the penny remains a small yet powerful symbol of American heritage. Even in a rapidly changing world, coins like the 2020 penny serve as tangible connections to history, reminding us of the values and stories that shape